Also, after you've learned somebody's name, you might say, wow, that's an interesting name, and want to know where they're from. Listen to the next dialogue to figure out where somebody be from.
张先生，你是中国人吗？
不是，我是美国人。Now the next word is 先生 or 先生. Everyone is a little bit different. It depends on where you're from. There's two ways to do this. But anyway, 先生 or 先生 means sir, or it means Mr. It's a little bit different than in English, right? In English, you would say Mr. Johnson, right? In Chinese, it's the other way around. It's Johnson Mr. So you would say Johnson 先生 or Johnson 先生. That's the way it is in Chinese. Let's practice saying that together.
Let's practice saying the word 先生 or 先生 2 times together. 先生
先生
Do you remember what 先生 means? It means Mr. Repeat that after us. 先生
先生
How do you say Mr. in Chinese? 先生
先生
How do you think you'd say Mr. Zhang in Chinese? 张先生
张先生张先生，你是中国人吗？
不是，我是美国人。陈小姐，你是美国人吗？
是，我是美国人。
Okay, the next word is the way to say Miss or young lady. Now, we just learned that Sir or Mr. is 先生 or 先生. So how do you say young lady or miss? Well, you say 小姐. Now that's X-I-A-O, third tone. J-I-E, third tone.
Remember, when there's 2 third tones put together, the first becomes a second tone.
Very good, you guys. So again, 小姐 means miss or young lady. The way you use it is the same way you use 先生. So we just taught you Johnson 先生, right? Or Johnson 先生. Now you would say Johnson 小姐 the same exact way. Let's practice saying that together now.
Let's practice the word 小姐 2 times. 小姐
小姐
小姐 means miss or young lady. Okay, so the next word we're looking at is the word for to be, which is 是, S-H-I in the 4th tone. 是. All right, so that means to be. Now remember, there's no conjugation in Chinese, so that can mean to be, is, or are, or am, right? He is, they are, I am, we are, so on and so forth. Easy to use, so let's learn a little bit more how to say it and use it.
It will open a whole new world of speech to you.
Let's practice the word 是 2 times. 是
是
Do you remember what 是 means? It means to be, or is, am, are. Repeat that after us. 是
是
So how do you say to be, is, am, or are in Chinese? 是
是
So how do you say I am? 我是 How about you are? 你是 What does this sentence mean? 我是张先生 I am Mr. Zhang. So if you wanted to ask the question, are you Miss Chen? How would you say that? 你是陈小姐吗？
你是陈小姐吗？
Pop quiz.
Do you still remember how to say, what is your last name? 你贵姓? How about, please, may I ask, what is your last name? 请问你贵姓? Do you still remember what this term means? 我会说中文. Good. It means I can speak Chinese.
张先生，你是中国人吗？
不是，我是美国人。